Good morning. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating story called The Tiger King by Khushwant Singh. This story is not just a tale about a king and his tigers, but it also uses satire to comment on human behavior and ambition. Let's dive into the story and understand its key elements and themes. Our story begins with the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram, a ruler who is deeply obsessed with tigers. The Maharaja was told by a fortune teller that he would be killed by a tiger. This prediction made him extremely anxious and determined to prove his bravery. How did he decide to do this? He vowed to kill 100 tigers, believing that if he achieved this goal, he would prove his courage and fulfill the prophecy. At first, the Maharaja's hunting expeditions were seen as a symbol of his bravery. He was admired for his efforts and skill in hunting. However, as he hunted more tigers, it became clear that he was not just pursuing them for sport but was driven by an obsession. He went to great lengths to ensure he could meet his goal, manipulating hunting practices and ensuring that his hunts were successful. Here's where the story becomes quite ironic. The Maharaja's obsession with killing tigers led to a drastic reduction in the tiger population in his kingdom. His actions caused ecological imbalance, and he failed to realize the long-term consequences of his hunting spree. Despite his initial success in killing many tigers, he found himself in a precarious situation when the tigers became scarce. Now, let's talk about the fortune teller's role in the story. The fortune teller's prophecy was a key element that drove the Maharaja's actions. The prediction that he would be killed by a tiger made the Maharaja determined to hunt them down. This prophecy, which was meant to be a prediction, ironically becomes a part of the Maharaja's downfall. The story also highlights a significant theme: the abuse of power and its consequences. The Maharaja's power allowed him to control the fate of the tigers, but his reckless use of this power had unforeseen consequences. His obsession with proving his bravery ultimately led to his demise in a rather ironic way. Instead of being killed by a real tiger, he was killed by a tiger toy, something completely unexpected and trivial. Khushwant Singh uses satire to reflect on human nature and ambition. Through the Maharaja's excessive pride and vanity, the story criticized the folly of unchecked ambition and the consequences of exploiting nature for personal gain. The Maharaja's downfall serves as a humorous yet poignant reminder of the absurdity of human behavior and the importance of respecting both nature and one's own limits. To summarize, The Tiger King is not just a story about a ruler's obsession but a satire on power, pride, and the consequences of ambition. It teaches us about the importance of humility and the dangers of letting our desires control our actions. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of the story. Do you have any questions or thoughts about what we've discussed today?